Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Say the shit, I see her, nigga. Take a trip back to the young nigga, my seed, nigga. Take a trip back to the young nigga, my seed, nigga. Take a trip back to the young nigga, my seed, nigga. Wanna keep that heat, nigga. Me the mic go rock a leg.
Alright, y'all boys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got another smooth POV for y'all boys. As y'all can see by the title, we are running late for our graduation. We got my boy VQ Chris right here, Flame Tune Q50. We got the STOLN cat, you feel me? I just washed her, so she's looking way better right now. We got my boy V-Ren, aka Otto, in the Blueberry Valley. And we got my boy Nas Key, X3M Comp, Stage 2, whatever the hell. Alright, but we're running like way behind. The graduation started at 12, and they say we get there at like 12:03, so we're running behind. We gotta hurry up. So I'll catch y'all boys in the whip.
I ain't worried about them little niggas. You ain't from your hood, it's just get shit understood. Nigga, that Draco with the wood hit you. Break shit down was good, nigga, and get your ass stood over. Put on for my hood, nigga, this switch fuck your whole hood over.
I ain't gonna lie, I don't know about y'all, but one of my biggest pet peeves is being bored. But luckily, I found the solution to being bored. That solution is free cash. If y'all don't know what free cash is, it's basically a method you can play games on your phone and get paid for it. That's gotta be like literally the top 2 combos ever. Play games and get paid. If you hit the link in the description or scan the QR code that's on the screen, you can download the app and start winning money instantly. Not to mention it's completely free to sign up. All you need is an email and password. The whole sign up process literally takes seconds. Once you download the app, you'll see an array of offers and different games you can select from. Pick one that you like, you feel me, and start winning money. It's literally like turning your free time into a side hustle without even noticing. It's not gonna get you rich, of course, but you can make decent side cash to pay for things like gas. The whole point, you could be bored in class. Instead of just sitting there doom scrolling on TikTok, you could be playing games and earning money for free, literally. You click my link or scan the QR code, you get an extra $10 to start off with. Y'all boys go ahead and get right, man. It's time to run this money up 2026. Overly hot, and I'm wearing all black, like freaking phone flew somewhere. God damn. Bro, Warren is so funny to me, bro. Oh my gosh. show nothing but gas, bro. It's all gas, no brakes with him. Like, bro, he's cutting across 3 lanes for what? For what? Be taking the most useless cuts, bro, just to say he get the cut, bro. Oh my God, it's traffic, no way. We should have expected this, not gonna lie. Which we did, but it's like, dang, bro. Coming through. Fuck, I was finna hit that. I was finna turn, but I ain't know if the nigga was close enough. My tires being bald got my alignment messed up. So as soon as I put on some new tires, it's over. Bro, I know one thing, but this traffic better disperse before I got something to say about it. Everybody just going slow, bro. Like, it don't mean nobody in front of them. They still go slow. Back there mad, bro, cause he missing out on the action. GMC truck. Bro, what's up with this traffic, bro? I'm getting mad. think about switching lanes, bro. It's another car that I can't see in that lane, blocking everything. Like, oh my lord, every time I get in the lane they want to slow down, bro. Like, what going? Oh, we gotta get over it. Aw, shucks. We gotta get over it, Scoob. Yo, what am I talking about? Ah, shit, 12 up there too. We gotta chill now. Roll my window up. Oh, never mind. It might be an accident. I don't think he pulled nobody over. Bro, what is a character, bro? I swear to God. Yo, this nigga about to cause a wreck. Yo, this nigga is trying to hit the tightest cuts known to man for no reason, bro. He does not care about being on time, by the way. He's just doing this for the love of the game. Oh shit, my blinker. Hey, bro. This is the Mopar, bro. We ain't meant for this turning. Bro, I know somebody trying to fork over their spot, bro. Oh shit. Okay, maybe Warren did get far. Yo, my gunshots is bro. Like, bro, y'all hear that pop, bro? It literally sound like a Drake going off. Alright, this is Independence, so we have to be way more careful over here. Next two right turns, that's what they say. Oh. It's telling me to take this right turn. I see Warren down there. Fuck, I want to go around these niggas, bro, but 12 is not gonna let me do that.
Graduation, second right.
Gotcha. She probably like, why the hell this boy got a camera on? Oh, it's another cat. It's a cat right there. Slim Body Challenger. Who he feeling like, bro? He not out mogging me, is he? Cat on cat. Alright, y'all boys, man. I appreciate y'all for checking this video out for sure. Make sure y'all boys go follow the Instagram, and I'll catch y'all boys in the next one.
I'm trying to pop a op, you trying to pop a pill. If I can't put you to